the word ta kalito no teninya ini ye do hete bakala pala aplita sidir pamano uh afraid of death no pala aplita si afraid of death no pa kanyote pane aplita si kwade no okay everybody they are afraid of death okay because when they death where they go they don't know that's why we should think about this way okay I want to raise for you some scripture. Okay, I want to read for you some scriptures. I want you to know about something. Okay, is that people afraid of death. Okay, death. No. Then Jesus declared, no, I am the breath of life. No, no, he who's come to me will never go hungry. Okay, never hungry. Okay, and he who believes in me never be thirsty. No, Palo asukina kiane a tartu talo tilo. No, I want a pocrus commoner tartu talo tilo. Get me dinero pocrus sucumodilla. No, pocrus sucumodilla. No, little Nakura pain, but no, as I told you, Mimid Connie, no, you have seen me and stay you do not believe. No, you did to Masan Pitia, no, to Tanayaba. All that the Father give me will come to me. No, Takala Yapahian Kesu yo, no, Hesu, no. And whoever come to me, I will never drive away. No, hi, no. Wakanyoti the parlor, no, me Hesu yo ni, no, jetta, no hot or not gava. I never drive away. For I have come down from heaven, not to do my will, but to do the will of him who sent me. Okay? To do the will of him who sent me. No? When you meet a no, you hello su hakuini, no, yet the mara, the pera, yexata, no, basarakino, pay yapa, no, pal a murder yaga, no, tega a thanero, no. And this is the wills of him who sent me. Away in mitala, away tabatha, no. What? No, thus I shall lose, no, none of all that he has given me, no. But aware the no, no matter not the hamaba, norgaba, no, la pala a hiloya coordinate at the hamaba norgaba. No, away, no, le away hiloya kilicasin, no, but raises then up at the last day. Now, when it raises then us in the last day. Now, pretend mala muni kitani away, pretend ma yekaba do a sitaki or no. For my Father will is that everyone who look to the Son and believe in him. No. Koplo Japani, no palo, pretend mala, pacoa de le, no sukinakia, no tia, no naya tipani, say have internal life, Crow over tamu a to you, internal life, crow over tamu to you, no. And I will raise him out at the last day. No, but you can do the sit all muni, kitelo. But Sukumolo, Pathinya, no, but we afraid to death, okay? We afraid to death. Why? Why we don't know we afraid to death, okay? We are Christian, okay? Wherever you come from, you are someone, whatever. But Jesus says, okay? Jesus said, I am the breath of life. Okay, I am the breath of life. who everyone come to me, okay, never hungry, never thirsty again. Okay, this is a very generous, humble. Okay, let the Gurara Pakra Sukumota did pine wrong. No, the me, no, Pakra Patu Patala, Patamubu, Lepacamadile, Lepacladile, oh, no. Penny pe edo padako bakala lirome bu disciple. Talo lirome, okay. Talo roman, no, romi, sitane, no. Pagdete ma dile, no, romi, sitane, pagdete ma dile, no. Pagakwa pay, no, the siho, no. Romi, a zero, Romans 18 to 39. No, I want to collect Papa, no. Le Rome, no. 18 to 39. No. Painted bacteria future glory, not future glory. But I'm not afraid. No, we are afraid of death. Okay. Bacteria pa pilamo no. Bacteria pa pagati pa pilamo no. Not everyone afraid to death. Okay. Here I consider that's our presence suffering. Okay. Okay, suffering are not worth comparing with the glory that will be revealed in us. Okay, will be revealed in us. Okay, the creation waits in the eager. Okay, expectation for the Son of God to be revealed. Now, I want to sacred for the creation was subject to frustration, not by its own choice, but by the will of the one who subject. It is the hope. Okay, I told you already. It's the hope. Okay, thus the creation is as we be liberated from its bondage to decades and brought into the glory and freedom of the children of God. Okay, freedom of the children of God. We know this. The whole creation has been grooming us the pains of the childbirth right up to the present time. Not only so, okay, not only so. When it domestic about but with ourselves, not sleep, when it not sleep. But when I sick on a bakira kupati no, who have the first fruits of the spirits, groans and wonders as with the weight angrily, no, let them no, for our adoption as sons, redemption of our bodies, for is the hope, no, for in this hope, okay, for in this hope, we were saved, but hope that is within is no hope at all. Who hope for this? For what is the already has, but if we hope for this, we do not yet have. We wait for the patiently. In the same way, the Spirit has up is our weakness. We do not know why we ought to pray for, but the Spirit Himself intercedes for us with the groans. Thus words cannot express, and He who searches our hearts knows mine. Okay, it's mine. Other spirits, because the Spirit interests for the same in the accordance with God's will. No. Let us go to Pakra Sukumo Tate Pala Batamupuno, no? Pakra Sukumo, no Pakra Patupata, no Patamupuno, but when I did Pala Pame Pakripo, we go to Tewimo, Pame Pakripo. Okay? Pakime Pakripo, which I don't know. Penny, no, yeah, no Patko Bakala. Badaka Chevano, Badaka Chevano. Little me is zero calling, but flower daily. Now, little me is zero call, support the sea hawk, did I know? Support the sea hawk, no? Agiri Japaya Thaler Tana Tapola Agato Pe E Dick no Pe E Digi no La Agato Pe no to the draw Bado Talakapo Sunyala Aka Uprala Palo Nirki Niva no but to the draw never no Agiri E Taba Tini no Atakwa Lap the Papani Kuala Jua Pukwata Pa Ata Upla Aklelo Agiri E Tam Batini Bata no Bata Pa Olu Tak Apala pe atat meba me pepa atala apa ole tamula apulo no pawala le tamula apulo le tano kora rapa klasukmo petino pala betamu pulo no wene petinya le no le jua ko buni megene no le jua ko buni pa flawara no pagete mala le jua khune no mege ye pha ye tene no pagete mala me taba ba tilo basana na kilo pe yete flawara de sepo no Bakana le jua khune no pe no yesu seba yera yimi ko mu no ko mu ni lo pala hesu yo one te tawila ba ataba do pala sukina ki yani tar tu lo ba ata leti ba mimi seba te pala tu tili yali do tu tana ba ya ba ke ye pala no pagite ma ke ye pala je pa hi lo ya de la la ni no ke hesu yo lo do pala hesu yo ni ye to thok ku ba no ko ba no agiri I teme ba ye helo lo mu ko di tu ye ka ma pheda ye ta ba me pheda pala amon lo ya de ka ta lo ke ye pala hi lo ya de ka la la ni di tu tu ta ha go ta ha ta de ha ma de ke me di tu adu akadu ke sa de ki lo mu ni ke te ne me pala amon lo ya de ka ta ne lo agiri ke ye pala ati phukwa do sukina ki wa de ka la la ni di tu akane ma tamu tu yo ne me ya pa ta lo kane ma tamu tu yo ne me la ya pa ta lo do ya ke de se de ki o le mu ni ki te lo ko ne ka sa yo no ka sa yo ke de se de ki o le mu ni ki te okay ba me pli da ba ti lu no o ne ki pha ki le le yo se lo khu no se lo ku se wo ta si ya tu lu si ne no tu me pli le ti ka ti no ti ka ti o ho lu ne ki pha ne no tu me ki pha ne tu ki ti ne okay reading okay John chapter 8 verse 35 to 40 you read there you will see something you will recognize something to Jesus Christ okay I want to everyone thank you to watch my channel okay next day I will show you again thank you so much bye I want to finish here